In this week's social media countdown, Elephant Man shows the videographer off stage. Lisa Hanna stunts in a new viral bathing suit, and Sidem reveals that she is pregnant. All this and more on today's social media countdown.
The dirty or the berry or the juicy or the scoop. All the things are going on and missing on the news. Tell your sister and your auntie said the corner coming soon. All the drama what you want, you can tune into the youth. Like yo, hey, box cover, cover all the topics like I in them. Pot cover, mix up, blender, all them suck me out. What happened on the week, yo, just tune in, zine.
Box cover, this is TheDuttyBerry and welcome to another top 10 social media countdown. I trust that you had an amazing emancipation weekend. I hope that you're relaxed, did go out for those who did dream weekend and several other parties. Or maybe you just relaxed and, went to some of the emancipation celebrations across the island. Anyway, let's get into the top 10. Number 10, Miss Kitty back on radio. Okay, burritos know. So, the la boss. Miss Kitty is back on nationwide. Yeah, man, she reached back a nationwide tour afternoon slot because, so she had queen of afternoon radio, and it looked like so she did miss the bug. She wanted it back, and so she's, she's back with Cliff Hughes at the radio station, and so we can only expect more and more afternoon madness.
And when I tell you, I have a surprise for you. When they asked me to return, I said, all right, I have to shake up some things and do some things and build it up and bad it up and go around and come around and bap. I have to go some ropes. I have to rock the rock and do it up. I called Canada. I said, Canada. Oh, Canada. I'm going to need it to free up the boss so the boss can return to Miss or Mrs. Kitty Live. So, ladies and gentlemen,
but my little question is, there was no like a farewell and like a big departure from CVM TV. Like how there was a big announcement and them something there like kind of fast now. What kind of terms did she leave CVM TV on? That is where the real story is. That is what I want to find out right now. No, Miss Kitty. Can you preach the audience because the streets are talking all kind of things and I write about now? Me don't know me just fast. Me kind of understand certain little strips, but me just kind of fast. So please, when I reach on the radio station, yeah man, just tell the public because, yeah man, what kind of, yeah man. Number 9, on Sound Streets. Okay, no, so I remember seeing this video, but they see the video on TikTok. We saw a man just walking in the middle of, what you call this now, Constant Spring Road, in the middle of Alpha Tree, across the road from Transport Center, right there in that vicinity. Him just walk around have this piece of tool and I hit the car them a pass by.
Yeah man, take him up man.
Yeah man, this could have turned, a different way because if they book up on one of them like cross, angry and miserable driver there, them could have jumped out and just pew just like that and ask no question. Well, luckily, police officers were on the scene and they were able to apprehend him. But we want some more follow-up on the story, man. Because, yeah, man, what did I go on here, so? Number 8, T.I. renews. Okay, burritos know, so American rapper T.I. and his wife, Tiny Harris, went to Jamaica. They came to Jamaica to renew their vows. And they came to Jamaica to renew and to just solidify back them love. And boy, Jamaica, you are that girl. Because every celebrity and their mother have to come here at some point in their lifetime. Wow. Number 7, the real pepper spray. Okay, burritos know. So you remember on the last week social media countdown, I featured the them pepper spray Desmond I. Them pepper spray Desmond I. Yes, that's audio. Well, the person who was in charge of that audio, the girl who fear throat that said them words there, she decided to make the people them know where her face look like, and I don't know if she try to get her little reparations right now. It might be a little bit too late, but yeah man, do your thing, girl.
That pepper spray Desmond I. That pepper sorry. They pepper spray Desmond eye. They pepper spray Desmond eye. Yes, I am that person.
Yeah, man. So we see the face now, and we know the voice, and so I don't know if you're going to dip on the scene like Kirk, right, and give us more viral moments like this, but you can try your shot. Try your shot and see what can happen from it, man. Yeah, man, remember Valley and career take off after catching at a line, so we never know. Start your pepper spray line. Yeah, that is it. Start your pepper spray line and get Desmond Mackenzie to be your brand ambassador. That makes sense, don't burritos. Number 6, woman versus lizard. Okay, burritos now. Like,
Guys, look what I have in my hand. I have a big green lizard biting up my rat. It's okay. We're friends though. I think we're friends. He's just a little nervous. But he's one of the biggest lizards I've caught in my adult life because I own lizards and him have the jiggy on him back. Nicey. Guys, girls, people, stop afraid of lizard. They good and them pretty. Don't jump on my son, you know?
yeah, man, it's a modern day nanny at the maroon, that man. Yeah, man, people like them must go up on the front line next time if World War III for come about, man, because that level of bravery, that level of confidence and strongness, man, may I tell you, man, them something to make no more. Number 5, new festival queen. Okay, my readers know, so I forgot to say congratulations to the 2026 festival queen winner, Christina Williams, Miss Portland.
Gregor Fong is right now celebrating that Portland takes home the crown. Christina Williams is Miss Jamaica Festival Queen 2026.
Of course, I'm super excited because guess what? I'm a little friendly, yes. And fun fact, you know, last year when I was at the show, actually, I caught up with her and we did have a conversation, and she was saying that she was interested in entering the competition, and me I tell her, say, yeah man, go and go do it because, you know, you have it, and you know, them look at something there. And for sister, she entered, and of course, look at what happened. She walked away with the crown, and boy, oh boy, I have to go big up, you know, because in recent years, all of my friends them and people in my circle just a show up and show out. And we're just so proud. Last year I did Brittany Clark, you know, Danger Harrison before, and several others, and some have to say, boy, oh boy, if you are my friend, clearly you're a winner. Clearly you are a winner. And so big up on yourself, man. And I know you will have an amazing reign.
Now, here is this week's random video of the week.
2026, Christina Williams. Whoa, and I'm a friend, and I'm a friend. How are you feeling?
Long time.
How are you feeling?
My voice gone,
yes,
as you can hear. But I feel so blessed.
Yes.
You remember how last year with the out here?
Yes, you were here, the audience member.
Yes, we both were chilling out. We even go to buy jerk chicken.
Go buy jerk chicken, and you were saying to me that, yeah, consider, you were wondering if you should step. Whoa,
exactly.
And look at that manifestation.
And here we are. A lot of things can happen in 1 year, and so I think this is really a good example to young people watching that if you take a chance by yourself, you never know what type of reward you will reap.
Number 4, Lisa. Oh gosh, my word, my sentence, Lisa Hanna. Lisa Hanna, you need to give back the people them internet and take time with the people them Wi-Fi. Take time with the people them data plan. Because why are you out here giving band girl? Why you out here I give Baywatch? Why you out here I carry on like that, Lisa Hanna?
There are very few things I love more than the ocean because it restores something in me every single time. But I've also learned that enjoying the ocean and caring for your skin are two different things. And after time in the sun and the salt water and the wind, I know my skin needs actually more than just a rinse. It actually needs hydration. And that's why after I rinse off, the very first thing I do is I replenish what my skin has lost. And this Hydra Dew elixir is formulated with multi-layer.
Oh my word. No, honestly, me look on the song, you know, and right there and then, me have to wonder if I the Timberlake and Bubble Like Superstar.
Hot gal, sweet like a honey.
And that, me did have to wonder to myself if a Timberlake Bubble Like Soup. I start. Because right when me I hear the video, she talk about Paul Gramanet and hypochlorite and them look something there and the vibranium and all kind of things. Me not really make sense of what go on because all me I look and all me I hear shoo, shoo, shoo. And then you have one other song when me start to hear.
Whether the fat, whether the mager, they got to come up in this love saga. It's one of them, your baby father.
Oh, Jesus, me, my name, man, stop right there, so stop. What kind of show you think this is? What kind of show you think this is? This is a family show. How dare you play that song? You think I have these songs in my catalog? None. Wholesome songs. Like Worthy is the Lamb, the songs them that Minister Grace Hamilton knows about. Not these type of songs. Get rid of these music from my countdown, man. Dare you. Wow. But yes, that is how you market. You know, they have one place called Market Me, and you are marketing you. So, boy, Lisa, Anna, do what you need to do. But Jesus P, man, Number 3, Sunshine History. Okay, my readers know, so I forgot big up the Sunshine Girls. Yeah, man, the women Jamaica netball team and successfully defeating Australia to move on to the finals of the 2026 Commonwealth Netball Games.
10 seconds. Maloney needs to get a shot away. The ball is loose. Every decision, every moment of the utmost important here. This is it. Dwyer has to score. Oh my goodness me. Oh my word. They do not do bronze. Jamaica have just produced one of the biggest upsets in Commonwealth history.
And of course, people, you know, said this was a big moment because you know, Jamaica normally if you fight for 3rd place and 4th place. But this time, I either gold or silver. A gold or silver, the thing there, nothing less. And so, you know, kudos to the girls. This is an amazing moment, and the fact that it happened on Emancipation Day is like we get one nice holiday, you know, festive, you know, win for just like boost we eager make a walk with chest even higher.
Who them say now, medal?
Not us.
Not we.
Not us.
I saw you take care of that. Oh my, this dog, yeah.
Well done, well done.
Number 2, Sidem reveals, okay, Burritos know, so Vybz Kartel's, you know, wife is Sidem. You know, she's been laying low recently, and the public did ask her what I'm to her because all we did see is Vybz Kartel with a trailer load of woman like from East West, different type of girl from all over the world. It looked like say he was ready to have another teacher's pet. And so, you know, whole heap of speculations are going if Sidem left him and all of these things. Well, Sidem popped up at the regular festival in the UK. Kartel brought her up and then, you know, made it known that she is expecting her first child with the teacher.
No, now I'm telling you what's going on and read between the lines. Play this out. Every sector, need my family, know who they need. Pull up. Regular, make some noise! You have to read this thing before you go, baby. Between the lines, one way mark, what's in there? Yeah, ladies, need my family. She can breathe before you eat. Are you ready?
No, honestly, you know, my love, you know, first of all, I forgot to say big up Vybz Kartel pan this because, yeah, man, it look like, say, you know, whatever I'm take and all of them look something there's an elder, 50-year-old, it is our working. But you know, who me really have to clap is Sidem. Because Sidem said, I shall not be moved. I shall not be outdone. Because if every other baby mother can have that for another 18 years, Sidem says, my name is going to be written down. Write my name, yeah, man, write down in there, man, because me and you into the retirement stage. And Sidem, I did not really know your game, but your game, yeah, man, yeah, man, yeah, man, yeah, man. Because all of that waiting where you doing for Kartel and them, like something there. You a play a Rita Marley game, Sidem. You're mixing a little Cindy, but my sister you play a Rita Marley game. And for that, Yeah, man, you have to give it to her, man. And once again, Vybz Kartel silencing the haters. Like right about now, like why are you going against Kartel? Because all when Kartel run Kartel will be right because that man is just a master of media and he's just a master of humans. And so there really is no winning Vybz Kartel. But it is! Okay, so let me know you know your feeling about the news. I'm waiting them for name the baby. Who ya? And number 1 goes to Elephant Man Shub. Woo! My word, my sentence, my paragraph, my essay, my biblioteca. Number 1 goes to the Elephant Man Shub. Alright, breeders, say no, sir, Emancipation Time started Dream Weekend. Elephant Man was on stage performing, and in the middle of the performance, this moment with him and our videographer happened. Take a look.
We know VIP, I know blood clap trip. Jump to my block, anything, tell them. Cameraman, move. Your blood clap. Move. You broke your gas over your pussy, will you? Broke like that, what are we broke? Independent! Yeah.
Oh my word, Scooby away. That is what happened to that videographer. No, Elephant Man, we know that is your little catchphrase and thing, but they never have to go make it display like that on stage. Like, what did that videographer do for, you know, angle it differently? Because bad to bad, you know, like at least Massacre at some point when the people them did around him, Massacre said this. So what happened to that Elephant Man? Were you just caught up in your Energy God persona that you just never really business anybody in the way, kick them down? That was your mantra? Elephant Man, come on, man. You need to leave the spirit of Scooby away at home. Don't bring it on at 2026 now. Cameras are all around and these people will sue. What you mean? The man broke and he can't sue you. And when, you know, Elephant Man smart though, because after him come talk about how the man broke and can't sue him catch back himself and him jump in and say, you broke like me and put in himself in there. Well played, Elephant Man. One nice little save, but you should have just stop yourself before you push the man off of the stage. And it wasn't just the videographer alone. Wait, the videographer is actually a colleague of mine by the name of Dario. I think it's Dario Shields, and he has his production company. He shot a lot of films and all of that. He have him photo studio. And so we know the boy did out there just doing work. And bad to bad, if in the other way, you could have handled it a little bit differently. But Elephant Man did not stop there. I saw another video with the held up on stage, Elephant Man fling him off. So I do not know if this was just a viral tactic and these things, but according to Dario Face, Dario was not having this. Like, boy, I don't know, but Elephant, I think you should just, you know, say you're sorry, apologize, because it not really do good for all people look on you as a character online in a this sort of way. You understand? But me get that, you work, but you could have go about it in a one different way. Communicate, man. Communicate and apologize. That is all. Well, Burritos, let me know. You would have give Elephant Man some grace, or you think you would have sue him? Comment below.
So just as I was speculating, Elephant Man has now posted this online saying that it was pre-planned, it was staged, and let me know if you believe.
Peace and love. Well, I'm here to just address something. There's a video going around on social media. I'm here to address it, explain to the fans how this thing goes. The cameraman now, cause him and the cameraman. Apology to the cameraman was given on the stage and off the stage. When he was videoing, I went, you know me, how we perform, so I went there and said, move, cameraman, move. No disrespect. Never meant to be taken. No disrespect to the cameraman. I apologize to him a million times. When him get up and him went back side the soup pipe right where the DJ booth was, I stopped the show and I said, cameraman, I apologize.
Hold on. Me done. Now follow me, boy, you're broken up. Don't go so. Big up yourselves. No disrespect. We just have entertain the people.
I don't want nobody take it out of context, think that I'm disrespecting you. And secondly, fire. The person who you say I push off stage, fire. He have been working with me for over 25 going to 30 years now. He's a part of my team. He was the one who have the signal, the plain stick, and he work with me from him ear black till it white now. fire that's how long.
Yeah, man, it's a part-time promotion. We tour the world with elephant. We go all over with elephant. Elephant use water and show up a stage in performance. And show up everybody up and say, come on, on me stage.
Well, that's it, burritos. We've come to the end of another social media top 10 countdown. Make sure you like, you comment, you share, and you subscribe. Tell a friend to tell a friend. Also, for booking, shoot me an email to bookings.DuttyBerryShow@gmail.com. And why am I forgetting that you should follow me at DuttyBerryShow on Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, Snapchat, and all over. That is it, burritos. You know, please to take care, and remember that the next social media, new time for the social media countdown will be Sundays at 6 p.m. So look out for that, man. Yeah, man, countdown time going to be Sundays at 6 p.m. starting this weekend. Take care.
The dirty of the berry, yeah, the juicy of the scoop. All the things are going on and missing on the news. Tell your sister and your auntie said the countdown coming soon. All the drama where you want, you can tune into the youth. Like, yo, hey, box cover, cover all the topics like I in them. Pot cover, mix up, blender, all them suck me out, what happened on the week, yo, just tune in, scene.